Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can create a 2D drawing with the help of a Draft Workbench in FreeCAD. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on an equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So here we have a simple 2D drawings, and we will convert it into the 3D drawing in FreeCAD with the help of a Draft Workbench. So here I will create a new file, and here I have activated my Draft Workbench. Now I will select the plane options, and I will select this top XY plane, and I will make it normal. Now we will draw our sketching from this point. So first we will draw this 50 mm line. So I will select the line tool and create my first points. Now one thing you can see that as I move my mouse pointer, this delta X, delta Y and delta Z is changing, and length is also changing. So trick is here, do not move your mouse, and here just focus on this UCS, and we will create this line with the help of this UCS. For example, here I want 50 mm line in X directions, so I will keep my mouse as it is in a delta X. I will give the 50 mm at a delta X. You can keep your mouse pointer anywhere, so here, but the trick is here, if you move your mouse pointer at a left hand side, then delta X will be a negative value, and here delta X will be the positive with respect to our UCS. So we want 50 mm in a positive direction, so we will keep my mouse pointer anywhere on the screen, and I will use the tab key of my keyboard. So delta X I want 50, delta Y I want 0, delta Z I want 0, and I will press the enter 2 times because I wanted to enter the 2 points. Therefore, while creating the first line, you press the enter 2 times. Now we will create this line of length 45 and angle 144. So we will again select a line tool, and we will keep our mouse pointer here. And now while drawing the angular line, we will skip delta x, delta y and delta z. We will directly go to the length, and here I will give my length 45 and again press the tab key and give the angle 144 and press enter. So you can see that we have got the line of length 45 and angle 144. Now we will create this 20 mm line. So we will select the line tool again, and we will keep our mouse pointer here, and here we can see that we want y in a positive directions. So we will keep delta x 0, delta y we will give the 20 and press the enter 2 times. So here we have also got this line, and now we will create this horizontal line of a 20 mm. Its dimension is here. So we will again select a line tool, and we will keep our mouse pointer in the line direction so that we can get the positive and negative value. So here we want delta x positive, so we will give delta x 20, delta y 0 and press the enter 2 times. So here we have got this line. Now we will draw this vertical line of a 20 mm. So we will select the line tool and keep my mouse pointer here, and here I want y in a 20 mm y direction. Here it is a y, and we will keep our mouse pointer here. So we will keep delta x 0, delta y 20 and press the enter 2 times. Now we will draw this 30 mm line. So select the line tool, and here I want x 30, delta x 30, so I will give the 30, delta y I will keep 0 and press the enter 2 times. And now I will create this 10 mm line, so it will be minus 10y. So I will select the line tool, and here I will give the delta x 0, and here I will give the minus 10 because I want in downward directions, and here I will press the enter 2 times. Now I will create this 60 mm line, so I will select the line tool, and I will keep my mouse pointer here, and here I want delta x 60, 60, delta y 0, delta z 0 and press the enter 2 times. Now I will create this 20 mm line. So I will select the line tool, and here it will be the minus 20 in y directions. So delta x 0, minus 20, press the enter 2 times. And now here I will create this 10 mm line. So I will select the line tool, and here I want 10 mm in a positive y directions. So here I will give delta x 0, delta y 10, press the enter 2 times, and now I will close this loop just by selecting the line tool and joining these 2 points. We have successfully converted this 2D drawing in FreeCAD with the help of a Draft Workbench, and now we will learn how we can convert it into the DXF format, and we will open it in LibreCAD to check it. So I will select all this line and go to the file and go to the export option, and in export option I will select here the DXF, and I will give it a name, conversion to DXF, and save it. And now we will go to the LibreCAD and we will click on the open, and here is our file conversion to DXF, and from drop down here select the drawing exchange.dxf and click on the open. So you can see that our drawing is successfully converted in the DXF, and now we can give the dimensions here if we want. For example, I will select the horizontal dimension, I will select these 2 points and give my dimensions. So this is how we have successfully converted this drafting draft workbench into the DXF file. So this is all about this tutorial, how to work with a draft workbench to create a 2D drawing and export it as a DXF file for further editing in a open source CAD tool like a LibreCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.